So taking this galleon down the river, I'm gonna call the bridges. I'm gonna bring you guys along with. First, we got Davie Boulevard Bridge. Channel 9. Davie Boulevard Bridge, Davie Boulevard Bridge. This is outbound Ohana. Come back. Yeah, this is Ohana, outbound. Request your next opening.
Yeah, sure.
One down. Security call, outbound New River, 50-foot motor yacht passing Little Florida outbound. 7th Avenue, outbound 50-foot motor yacht, Ohana. Come back.
Roger that. Looks like we'll have an inbound. He's coming through the railroad bridge now.
Copy that. 7th Avenue, coming through. Andrews Avenue. 3rd Avenue. 3rd Avenue.
3rd Avenue, Night Star. Copy.
7th Avenue.
3rd Avenue. And that's the last bridge.